So see, so rotate right means you have to rotate each bit by towards the right by one position. Okay, so what about the extremely right bit? It getting replaced by the R7 bit. Okay, so whatever the value you will get 1111, 4 times 1 is your F, 1001, it means your 9. So you will get the answer F9. So next one is a RRC. So what about the RRC? RRC means rotate right through the carry. So see here, whatever this extreme right bit is there, it is going to transfer towards the carry bit, and this carry bit is going to replace our seventh bit of the accumulator. So this is called as a rotate right through the carry. You have to consider the carry bit for the rotation. Okay, now we will see how it going to happen. So this is your accumulator and this is your carry bit. So whatever the left extremely left bit is there, it is moving towards the carry, and carry bit is going to replace the D7th bit. Now see, this becomes 1, so your carry bit becomes 1, this comes to this position, and this is going to replace by 1 position. Okay, so see here, so you will get here 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. You can write here 7. You can write here 9. So you will get 79 when you are going to implement RRCA. Okay, and F9 when you are implementing rotate A. It is a simple rotate, that is rotate towards the right. But here rotate towards the right through the carry. So you have to consider the carry. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes or no? And last one is a swap. Swap means exchange
आवाज रिपीट
lower
यायला लागला.
nibble of. Yes, Vedant?
आवाज रिपीट यायला लागला मॅडम.
Now?
येते मॅडम.
Hello? 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 Now check. Hello? Is it
हा
okay
नाही येत
now?
मॅडम.
Okay. So last instruction in a logical group is a swap C. What is mean by the swap C here? Exchange lower nibble of A with higher nibble in accumulator. Swap करा कुणाला? A means accumulator ला. आता swap म्हणजे काय बघा? If your A is having the value B8H. Okay, समजा A ची value B8 आहे. How we can write B8? See, how we can write B8? Tell me. How I can write B8? B means 11, 8. How I can write this in the binary? Tell me. How I can write B in binary? Fast.
0 1 1
0 1 1 0 1 1. And how I can write 8? 1 0 0
1
0.
0 0 0.
Very good. Now this is your 8-bit number. Okay, as we know that what capacity of accumulator is 8-bit, or the size of accumulator is 8-bit. Now see, by using the swap A instruction, swap means you have to exchange the number. कुणाचे accumulator चे कसे exchange will? See here, exchange lower nibble of A with higher nibble. What is mean by the nibble? It is a combination of 4 bits. So here is a 1 nibble, here is a higher nibble, here is a lower nibble. So see, this is your lower nibble, this is your higher nibble. So lower nibble is going to take the position of higher nibble, and higher nibble is going to take the position of lower nibble. So what number we will get? 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 1. How I can write about this? It is a 8. How I can about write this? 8 to 1 means 10, 11, 11 means nothing but our B. It's A, B. Okay, means what? We are having the value of A as a B8, and after performing the instruction swap A, your A becomes 8B. Is it okay? Now you tell me, I will give you for example 2-3 values to solve this. If your A becomes F3 F8H, then tell me about the value of A after the execution of RL and after the execution of swap A. See here, if your A becomes F8H, tell me the value of A after rotate left and after swapping of A. Give me your answer in the comment or the chat box. I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay, in the first case, rotate left, what is the value of accumulator? Hello, tell me the answer for first, rotate right, Vedant.
F1.
What? F1?
F7.
You have to rotate left.
F0.
How it comes F? So see here, your data is F8. How you can write this data F8? 1 1 1 1. See here, 8 means 1 0 0 0. Okay? Now, as there is a no carry issue. Okay? Why there is a no through the carry? Here only rotate left. So left, you have to rotate this bits towards the left. So how you can write here? हा बीट इथे येईल, हा बीट इथे येईल, हा बीट इथे येईल, हा इथे, हा इथे, हा इथे, हा इथे. मग हा कुठे जाणार? तर हा बॅक टू इथे येईल. ओके, सो सी हियर 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. So here F1. Okay. How someone has given me the reply of 0? I think who has given
Carry
Payal?
zero घेतला होता.
Okay. But see here, in the case of simple rotate, you do not need to take the carry. Okay. If the same value is there and if I told you that, okay, it is RLC, then and if the value of the carry is, for example, 1. Now tell me the answer. You have to perform RLC and you have to having the value of A as F8 and carry as a 1. What is the answer? Now tell me the answer for RLC with carry 1. You have to move towards the left with carry as a 1. You have to do the same operation, but you have to consider the carry here. First
F1.
consider F1. Is it okay, everybody? F1.
Yes.
Okay, Payal, Kishori.
Yes, ma'am. F1.
Okay. Everyone got the concept? Hello. Now tell me the answer for swapping of the A. If your value of A is F8, then what is the value after the execution of instruction swap A? A becomes
At F.
8F. Very good. See here. Here is your F. Here is your 8. Here is a 1 0 0 0. So you have to move this value towards this and you have to move the higher nibble towards the position of lower nibble. So you will get the data as 1 1 1 1. So you can write here is A, you can write here is 8. So after execution of this, you will get the data 8F. Is it okay? Understood? Understood? Is it okay?
Yes,
Understood,
ma'am.
everyone? Okay, so there are some problems actually for whatever the addition and subtraction problem is there, we have already seen in the yesterday's class. So see here. Now read the problem statement. Perform the addition of two numbers 03 and 04. Okay, and convert them into the BCD. Okay, now see, firstly we have to perform the addition. So take one data into the accumulator. See, move A comma has 03. What it means, you have to copy the value 03 into A register. Okay, next you have to perform the addition. So you can directly write add A comma has 04. Okay, or you can take 04 into the another register, or you can use the instruction add A comma R1, for example. Okay, now after this, whatever the result you will get, it is a binary result. But what is asked in the problem? Convert them into the BCD. In the yesterday's class, what we have seen, whenever we want to deal with the BCD numbers, you have to copy the data. You have to deal with the instruction DAA. So that's why we have inserted here instruction DAA, and we have to stop. Is it okay? Is it okay? Hello, understood or not? Hello, hello. Why you are not replying? See, what is the problem? Perform the addition of two numbers 03 and 04 and convert them into the BCD. Okay. Now, one number is 03, one number is 04. You have to move compulsory one data into the accumulator. So move a comma has 03, we have make accumulator as a 03, and then we need to take second data. So there are different way we can save the second data into the register, and you can use the instruction add a comma register name, or you can save the data into the memory location, or you can use add a comma direct. That is, you have to specify the memory location, or immediately also you can use, like in the example I have done, add a comma at the rate, sorry, hash 04h. So 04 is going to added with accumulator value. But what is asked in the exam, what is asked in the problem, convert them into the BCD. How we can convert the number into the BCD? Just by using the DA instruction. So see here, DAA you have to write. So after using the instruction DAA, it will give the answer in the BCD format. If it is less than 0, then it is accurate. But if there is a carry, or if there is a number greater than 9, it will automatically add 6 value into that, and it will give you the correct result. Now, okay? Is it okay? Understood, everyone? Why you are not replying? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Okay, then give me your presentee. Roll number 2, Snehal.
Present, ma'am.
11, Poonam.
Present, ma'am.
18, Sanskruti.
Present, ma'am. Present. Present.
19,
Present, ma'am.
22, Pratidnya.
Present, madam.
Okay, 23,
Present.
24,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
29, okay. 30, Swapnali.
Present.
41, Chaitanya.
Present, ma'am.
45, Vedant.
Present, madam.
58, Srishail. 58, are you there? 58, 58, Nikam, are you there?
Yes, madam. 15.
Okay, 59,
Madam.
Shant-
Present,
60,
madam.
okay, 60, Omkar.
Present.
Okay, ठीक आहे, we
Present,
will
ma'am.
stop here for today's. Okay, okay. सगळ्यांची लागली आहे प्रेझेंटी.
Roll number 8 present.
रोल नंबर 8. ओके.
हा
पूजा.
कट झालं रेंज नसल्यामुळे.
Roll number 35 present, madam.
Okay, 35. Are you there? Okay, sir.
Roll number 20.
Yeah, 22 is already there. Okay.
Roll number 11 present. 21.
Yes, yes, I have written. Anyone whose name, whose number I have not announced? Is there anyone? Whatever the numbers I have announced, I have means mark your presentee here. Okay. We will stop here now.